back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
From here in the 09, Justin Howard. He should be rolling here too as well. Drivers, if you are sitting at your trailer, you need to be in the staging area, guys. We've got a show to run, and it needs to be done quickly. So get them in the staging area. Crown Vics, be on deck, followed by Stock 4. Sean Oreo Thomas in the 99 machine. Jasper Brown in the 83J. Colby Cannon in the 16 machine. Doug Bragg in the 41. The 66 of Preston Dimsdale. The 16 of Dawson Lowe. Lowe now going to work through turn number 3 and 4. He'll look to bring them to life, and the green flag is out on hot laps here for the Red Clay Late Model Series, of course. Glad to be here this evening. Of course, the Red Clay Series. Need them in staging. The Schaefer's Oil by Mike Bruner Jr. Red Clay Series. Dawson Lowe going to work down into turn number 1, followed by the 66 of Preston Dimsdale, the 99 machine of Sean Oreo Thomas, the 83J of Jasper Brown. Colby Cannon behind him, followed by Doug Bragg. And we will get ready now to roll that second group to staging. Crown Vics be getting ready as well. Remember, MyRacePass for live timing and scoring a 15.961 from Preston Dimsdale on that brand new Excel chassis, followed by Dawson Lowe. Always favorite missing data out on the Speedway. So Colby Cannon with that third fastest time. Their missing data has been found, and Colby Cannon third quick with a 16.062. Jasper Brown, Sean Oreo Thomas going to round out your top 5. We'll roll now with our next group of competitors. The J1 machine out on the Speedway. The 09 of Justin Howard, the driver out of LJ, Georgia. McCarter towing Excel Racing Chassis. Big A's on the side of the 71 machine. Stanley McCarter's entry there. Hollywood David Smith in the 71. Our most recent winner up at Whiff Raceway back in the month of April. Behind him in an Excel Racing chassis. Holder's Body Works on the side of that 57. It is Luke Highside Cooper. A 22 machine of Smith now going to roll. Wyatt Coffey in the 2 machine. Griffin Smith in the 22 Base Racing Fuels, Atlanta Paving and Concrete on the side of that entry. Of course, the other Smith in the family picking up the Southern National Spring National Championship a couple of weeks ago on the Super Lake Model side. Fisher's trucking on the J1, a Kryptonite chassis there for Kevin Fisher in the J1. Wyatt Coffey in the 2 machine. Wesley Page Racing Shocks on that engine for the Virginia native. Of course, most people probably seen the black rig and thought Scott Bloomquist. That is now Wyatt Coffey's rig. Justin Howard in the 09, the J1 machine of Kevin Fisher. The 59 of Sean Sykes out of Seymour, Tennessee, out on the Speedway. Here comes Howard Fisher going side by side. Wyatt Coffey, the 22 of Griffin Smith. Sean Sykes in the 59. We'll see the checkered flag. And now Crown Vic drivers should be getting ready. Oh, Caution flag. Everybody gonna back it down.